is a hot morning, boys. Boys and girls, I don't want to discriminate here. Just checked out of the Pudaksari Unizu hostel. Met some great people from all over the world. Canada, Cameroon.
Cheers, enjoy!
Cheers! England, Germany, Switzerland, you name it. It was just the united colors of Benetton, like it is at every hostel, right? Had good fun last night, drank some couple bintangs.
In the storm, in the sky, don't mean nothing to you. I talk about if I say you.
But it's time to go and leave Bali. So I'm in Kuta, so it's conveniently located close to Ngurah Rai Airport. Should be like a $2 rideshare. I'm gonna miss these prices. All right, we just called the Grab. It is 23,000 rupiah. That's the equivalent of about $2.30 Australian dollar. Bloody f***ing hell. Isn't that cheap? Man, oh man. I've got a puti, daihatsu. Puti is an Indonesian word and also a Tagalog word for white. What's great is that there's some translations as well. So even though they see saya ke sana sekarang means I am here now. So here is my ride. Good morning. Thank you. Yeah, just one luggage. International departures. We are. Awesome. Have a good day. Take care. All right, Bali International Aeropuerto. Jetstar to Cairns. Check-in is open. Good, you? Flying to Cairns today? No, it's in my bag. Gate number 6. Thank you. We are going to Cairns. Bloody long lineup at the check-in counter, mates. But we made it through. Only took like an hour 15. But I've got an hour to kill, so I could just relax, take it easy, and I still gotta organize the shuttle that's gonna take us from Cairns Airport to the city center. Gonna sort that out and then be reunited with my wife. In like 4.5 hours. The most awaited hug of our entire relationship in life. So I've been compiling a big list of all these Indonesian words that are also Tagalog words, and I just located another one here. We've got pinto, which I guess is the Indonesian word for gate, which in Tagalog, pinto is also door. Similarities. So I got 2 Balinese massages. Very good massage.
Good massage, very good.
Yeah. I didn't ask for it. 1 premium haircut, which included a wash and a massage and a tricep tattoo. But the main reason that we even came out here was to get that Australian offshore subclass 601 tourist visa, which I do have. So I should have no issues getting back into Australia as a tourist. I'd say this Bali mission was a complete success. Tune. Someone needs to tune this one. Flight will leave at around noontime, so I'm gonna want some lunch, and it's a 4-hour flight, so let's try to get some grub. $11 for a sandwich. As soon as you arrive at the airport, you'll lose purchasing power straight off the bat. Thank you very much. Tuna melts. Man, 14 bucks for a tuna melt and chips? God damn.
Your attention, please.
I board in 20 minutes, so I need to scarf this down. 15 minutes I board, so I gotta scarf this down. Hi. Yes. Thank you. Let's board this bloody flight. Hi. Thank you. Did you?
Yeah, good.
Cool.
To acknowledge the traditional custodians of the local land, the Irukandji people. We would also like to pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for choosing to fly Jetstar. It's been our pleasure having you on board. We look forward to seeing you next time you choose to travel. We hope you enjoy your time in Cairns. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you.
Well, but you paste more stuff apparently.
Yeah.
You'll be right.
All right.
Beautiful days. Good on you. Have a great time.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Don't forget that place. Go to Tassie. Definitely check it.
Mona.
Yeah.
Mona. All right, here we are at the hostel. Dreamtime Travelers. Let's see if yes, eyes here. I'm outside the gate. I left one hot and humid country just to fly into another one. All right, we're gonna see Ling in a bit. In a bit. Oh.
We're here. Hello.
Just a bunch of high-pitched noises. Missed you. No. I feel like I just came from another planet.
You're so dark. You like blend into that black
The
tree.
lights. Really a
more.
different part of Australia. Not Perth anymore, that's for sure.
I think they call it FNQ, Far North Queensland.
Radio.
Pasalupo.
Brownies. That's what I'm talking about. Brownies from Mrs. Ferg.
And not just one. I got you enough that you're gonna be so sick of it that you won't miss them.
And
That's
one of
fine.
these, it's like a brick. You could build a house with enough of these. It's so dense and so thick. You could break windows with
You could
this.
split them in half.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna ration these out because who knows when we're gonna be heading back to Queenstown. I was kind of sad to leave Bali because you know when you have all that anxiety to do a trip and then when you come to the end of it and then you're just like it's not as big a deal as you make it. in
You
your head.
fully adjusted, and now you have to go back to someone to cook you dinner.
And bring me Miss Ferg brownies. So I had to break a 50 for to pay the driver that dropped me off here. He didn't have any change on him, so we went to the bottle shop, the Bottle-O. Sure sign that I'm back in Australia.
And it's not just any Bottle-O, it's a drive-through Bottle-O.
Yeah, drive-through Bottle-O. Cashier's
Get
wearing
out
a
your car.
yellow 4X t-shirt. Love it. And I love that I could drink the tap water again.
And that the bus driver also didn't care that he had to do a detour.
Called
Was
the-
he
the
named
Mona.
Harry?
Shaved head. Kind of looked like a member of the Dropkick Murphys.
No.
It felt like I went in a time machine and that I was actually gone for 2 years. Very event-filled 2 weeks.
Did you have fun without me?
It was
Did you have fun because you were without
It was
me?
a different experience. Yeah. There were probably a lot of things that you wouldn't have participated in.
Yes.
Here's to being reunited after 2 bloody weeks back in Australia.